ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, victims of all ages. What's up, motherfuckers? Listening, folks. A gracious good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it may be for you, wherever in the world you folks may be. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me for a couple minutes today. You know what we do over here? We're going to get fucked up. We're going to watch some videos. We're going to make fun of some retards. We're going to see if we can't learn something from the videos highlighted today, and we're going to see if I can't introduce you folks to a channel that you haven't yet seen before. Now, check this out. So I'm nice and drunk last night, right? And I find this creepy ass little Annabelle looking doll. Okay? Creepiest fucking doll. Anywho, I decided, you know what? I'm gonna have some fun with one of these neighbors. So I took this creepy ass little Annabelle looking doll, right? And I attached a note to it and I said, it's your problem now. And I just left it on their porch. If I could have been a fly on the wall in their house in the morning when they saw this doll with that fucking note attached to it, how funny would that shit have been, man? Oh, saw something fucking interesting. First time in my life I ever saw a fucking dude snatch another dude's purse before. This generation's fucked up, man. Funny, right? Check this out. I get home from work today, right? And I'm watching my neighbor get arrested, and I'm curious, what the fuck are they getting arrested for? Turns out they're getting arrested for growing marijuana, right? Turns out now, I guess my property line isn't exactly where I thought it was. So, here's another good question. Do you folks ever think that somebody in the entourage of Ray Charles ever had some homosexual jerk them off and trick them into thinking it was a woman that was doing it? This would be something that I would 100% do because I would think it was fucking hilarious. You know what I mean? Like, shit's so fucked up now, man. Look, Caitlyn Jenner is now saying Bruce Jenner touched this bitch 30 years ago. That's how fucked up shit is right now, bitch. And let me ask you guys this question. Here's a question for the HDTV community out there. You folks have studs. Okay, now these are what I assume are you lesbos that have the real long, disgusting fucking clits that you consider micro penises. I'm curious though. Check this out. Do studs wipe when they just get done peeing, or do they just shake them fucking pussy lips and dip? Fucking this broad the other day, she told me, she says, don't come quick, don't come quick, don't come quick. I said, bitch, you know these kids don't listen. Another thing I learned is, if you're masturbating to images of deceased people, technically that's called ghost busting. I didn't know that. I was like, holy fuck, man. God damn, I gotta slow down on the fucking drinking a little bit, man. I literally just spent 15 minutes looking around in my car for my cell phone, using my cell phone as a flashlight to search for my cell phone. Look, Mom always said, alcohol is your enemy. Fair enough. However, Mother, Jesus said, love your enemies. Case fucking closed, baby. Cheers. Hey, look. You guys are important, cared for, valuable, unbelievably appreciated over this motherfucker. If no one has told you folks yet today, just know I love yous over this bitch. These 3 videos I got for you today comes from dad to 8 beautiful kids. This is, okay. This is about a 16-year-old girl who absolutely does not want to go back home to her mother because her mother abuses her. Instead of this fucking scumbag piece of shit police officer having any type of heart or sympathy whatsoever, he says, well, if the child wants to file charges against the mother for abuse, then we will allow the child to do that, but we are going to take the child into Child Protective Services instead of letting it. This is just such a fucked up situation, man. Let me know what you guys would do. I mean, would you protect your kid? What the fuck would you do in this situation? The second video comes from Tanya Myers, and this is just when the fucking LAPD just refuses to stop fucking harassing these people. Now, in this video, they're a little down on their luck, naturally, just like everybody else is, but yeah, for them it's a little different. Technically, they're homeless. They're waiting on paperwork to be expedited to get them into their housing, and the police just fuck with them nonstop, relentlessly. This video is, how many fucking times do you have to tell the police, I don't need your help, I don't want your help, fuck off and leave me alone? That's what that video is about. And the very last video comes from Nick. This video is all about how much the police can't fucking stand when you're not afraid of them. This video is all about my dude exercising his First Amendment right. This fucking dude whispers in a courtroom to a cop that he's a fucking pig, and just... this is what ensues of it. Look, you guys know what time it is. Roll it up, twist it up, light it up, spark it up, shoot it up, whatever the fuck it is you guys do to get there with me. Let's pour some motherfucking drinks, let's bust up some weed and put a little motherfucking gas in the air. The first video, like I said, dad to 8 beautiful kids. What do you do in a situation where your kid is begging you not to let her go back home? What do you do, man? Show us what happened, my dude. Let's go.
People of this country and we're under attack. They banning us, they cancel us for speaking the facts. If you man enough, come stand with us, take USA back. And every time we pull up, all you're gonna see is American flags. American flags. American flags.
For what?
Violating a court order.
Who's violating a court order? How am I violating the court order? I'm not allowing her to leave.
I know she doesn't want to go. I don't want to go. Okay, if she doesn't want to go, that's fine. But she is a minor. It's not up to her if she wants to go or not.
Actually, it is. She can make a decision whether she wants to go or not.
And if you guys don't agree with it, go to the courts. Go to the courts and like, you know what?
Yeah, well, it is gonna have to go to the. It is gonna have to go to the courts. I mean,
that's what you're gonna have to do. You have to go that route. But for right now, she has to go.
No, she doesn't. We both know that she doesn't, man. If she doesn't want to go, that's on her. You guys can make your paperwork. You guys can make your report, and be on your way.
Make it harder than it is. I know.
I'm not making it hard.
I know it sounds rough, but
I'm not making it hard.
We're trying to make it easy for all parties, man. We're trying to make it easy for all
The thing is, the life's not easy.
So
period.
Call for service, right? We're responding to a call.
Yeah, a call for service. Yeah, a call for service. And this is a family matter.
Yeah, it'll be a family matter if it wasn't.
What's your name and badge number?
If you guys didn't have a restraining order.
We don't have a restraining order. What's your name and badge number?
What's my name? Deputy Tucker.
What's your badge number?
1363.
What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Honest, 1328.
Okay. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Deputy Leva, 1318.
Okay, I appreciate you guys. So here's the thing. My daughter came down. She was living with me. She decided to date a little boy that I didn't want her to date. I sent her back to her mom's, and her mom starts being abusive with her. Her mom started abusing her. They're having problems. She don't want to go back to mom's. That's the end of the story. My other daughter got in the car.
She's abusing that mom's abusing her, so you want to make a report? That's what you're saying?
The report's going to be made with San Diego County Police Department.
So you're going to make a report with San Diego?
Yes. The incident happened in San Diego. Yeah, last time we did make a report, as a matter of fact.
Okay, but like I'm telling you, it's a court order that she has to go out.
Yeah.
I understand you guys not like
Okay, well then we'll go back to court and they could figure it out in the courts. But as of right now, my daughter does not want to go to her mom's house. I'm not gonna allow her to go back and get abused.
Not gonna get her way.
Oh, it's not about getting her way.
No.
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
Okay, my name is Sergeant Rodriguez.
Sergeant Rodriguez, what is your badge number?
Okay, I don't even know my badge number.
You don't know. Do you have identification card, business card?
I'll give you a business card.
I would appreciate it.
At this point, okay, your daughter's input does not matter in our opinion.
In your opinion.
Okay.
In your opinion, that has nothing to do with the way that due process and law works.
There is no black and white or shades of
there is no black and white. You're right. You're right. It's the way that due process
works. The court order
works.
states that your daughter's going to go with your mom. If she's reporting physical abuse, we will take custody of your daughter and she will go to CPS. She's not going home with you.
I bet you she will, because I would pick her up at CPS. Bet you. You guys want to make it hard, go ahead, but I will sue your department.
Okay. We're going to tell your daughter to step out of the car. She's going to go with her mom.
No, you're not going to pull my daughter out of the car.
Okay.
She doesn't want to go.
Doesn't matter.
You guys can make your report.
I keep telling you, doesn't matter what you want.
It's not about what I want.
She's going to go with her mom.
You guys can make your report and do what you guys got to do. Okay. But in this situation...
Did you give your ID card to my deputies?
No, they did not ask me for one.
Okay, can I see your ID, please?
What is the reason for the ID?
You want a report, right? I need to know who I'm talking to.
Oh, Luis.
Okay.
My name is Luis.
You're driver of the vehicle, right? You're behind the wheel.
My name is Luis. This is not a stop.
Okay. But now you got us involved, and this is a violation of a court
I didn't
order.
get you involved.
Okay. We're here for a reason.
I understand that.
So I need to see your driver's license since you want to report.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll-
Whoever's driving this
my
vehicle
name is Luis.
going to show me ID to show that you're driving this vehicle lawfully with kids in the back.
Oh shit, for real? This is not. This is
I
not
got
a stop.
all day.
This is not a stop. I got all day too.
Okay.
If you want to take it that route, man.
Okay. We're going to be getting your daughter out of the car.
No, you're not.
If she resists in any way, she's going to jail.
I'm not giving you permission to
I don't
take
need
my
your
daughter.
permission.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Get her out of the car.
You will be getting sued.
That's fine, sir.
Don't put your hands on my daughter. Don't put your hands on my daughter.
Step out the car.
No,
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Do not put your hands on my daughter.
Getting out of the
You
car.
guys do not have authority to
I
do
understand
this.
that your dad trying to be all difficult.
You guys do not have authority to do this.
No.
You're going.
You guys do not have authority to do this. Let my daughter go. If you guys kidnap my daughter, I will definitely be putting cases on every single one of you.
Let her,
Okay.
Let her do her job first, man.
This is not your job.
Okay.
This is not your job description. This is not your job description.
That's obviously.
This is not your job description.
No, that's your guys
No,
doing.
this is not your job description. You don't want to lose your job, bro.
I'm not gonna lose my job.
Yeah, you will.
I'm not.
Yeah, you will. And all you guys will be in trouble. Every single buddy that's here.
Tell you now, you're making this a bigger deal than what it is.
You're making it a deal, not me. You're putting your hands in something that you shouldn't even be putting your
You're not
hands
gonna
in.
drag me out. You said what?
This is against the law what you guys are doing.
Go get mom's information. Get her ID. Get the information on the court order. Okay. And we'll go from there. I need to see your ID, sir, whoever's driving this vehicle.
What is the reason for my ID?
Okay.
Is there a
report.
crime
You're
being
requesting a
committed,
report. Yes.
or
It's called a violation of a court order.
and you're a judge?
No, I'm not, but
Can
I
you
can enforce the
can you
laws that a
file
judge ordered.
can you file a contempt of court?
Yes,
You can file a contempt of court.
as long as I have documentation.
How is it that you can
there's a
file
court
it?
order.
And there's a due
I'm
process
not
for that,
arguing,
correct?
sir. You got your choices.
And there's a due process
Get
for
out
it,
of the car.
correct? Don't touch my daughter. Don't touch my daughter. You guys will be getting sued.
Stop.
She's underage. You guys will be getting sued.
Get out of the car.
Hey, man, don't fucking touch her.
Get out of the car.
Stay in the car, sir.
Hey, don't touch her.
You're
Don't
asking
touch
me.
her. Don't touch her. You fucking assholes. You guys have no right to touch her. You guys are fucking assholes. Hey, let her go. This is against the law. What you guys are doing is against the law.
You're the issue. Why don't you see you're the fucking issue?
What you guys are doing is against the law.
You're egging her on from now
No.
on.
Shut
You're
up.
the one that's been fucking
Shut up, you crazy bitch.
She fucking cries every fucking day because of you. Because she keeps saying she's not good enough to you.
You guys will be you guys will be getting sued for this.
That's all, you stupid bitch. That's what it is.
Get in your car. We'll talk to you in a minute, sir. Get in your car.
I'm not interfering with nothing.
Get in your car.
I'm not interfering with nothing. You will get sued. I will be at you guys' department. Day in and day out.
The paperwork.
Day in and day out.
Shut the fuck up. You think you know I don't know how you
Day in and day out.
You think I don't fucking know?
I will be in you guys' department. This what you guys did, you guys will be getting sued. Yeah, she's under the age. You guys had no reason to put your hands on her.
Fernando, I got paperwork.
Shut up. Shut up.
Go stand over there.
You
before
go
you're in
stand over
handcuffs.
there.
Get over there, sir.
What is the reason that you want me to stand over there for?
Because I need to conduct my investigation.
Okay, conduct your
You're-
investigation. I'm not impeding you.
Stay over there.
You. He does, bro. He just my daughter's 16, bro, and she's been getting abused by her mom, and so she didn't want to go back today. And these guys shouldn't even be getting themselves in this matter, so now they're gonna get sued for pulling her out of the vehicle. It doesn't matter since she's under the age and she's with a parent. They're not allowed to grab her like that.
Oh, they grabbed her?
Yeah, they grabbed her. Honey, come out here and keep recording. We're just gonna try to figure out a way to put me in jail. Come on.
Huh?
I said they're trying to figure out a way to put me in jail. They can't take her. They can't put their hands on her like that. That guy, the sergeant's gonna get in trouble. He's gonna get in trouble and he's gonna lose his job. And the other guy, the guy that pulled her out, he's gonna get in trouble too. My wife is here recording, the kids are in the car, the kids are crying because of what their mom is doing. And look at him over there trying to figure out what to do because he fucked up. You fucked up, Sergeant! You let your emotions get the best of you, bro. You will be getting in trouble. You better let my daughter go. Whoever put her in that police car better let her go because you guys will be getting in trouble. I would suggest you let my daughter go immediately. Look at him, he's trying to figure out what to do. He reacted without seeing everything that he should have did. And look, it's only been 11 minutes since we have been recording. Look how fast he escalated everything. Yeah. And then he tried to get in my face to intimidate me when I wasn't even in the way of anything that he was doing. Come over here. He's on the phone trying to figure it out now. Hey, I suggest you let her go, bro. You're gonna get in trouble. And all your deputies here too. Especially the guy who grabbed her, man. You fucked up your career, bro. You shouldn't have did that. You fucked your shit up, bro, for no reason. For no reason. It doesn't matter what she's showing you. Are you guys dumb? You guys don't know shit. I suggest you let her go, bro. It's an unlawful detainment. It's an unlawful kidnapping that you did. You guys are so bad getting a 16-year-old and putting her in your cop car. So bad. You guys are so cool. Hey, for them listening to you, they're gonna get in trouble, and you are too. You guys don't know the law. The law applies to all you guys too. It applies to you too on the phone trying to figure it out. You guys fucked up. You guys fucked up, man. Tulare County. Y'all don't know what y'all doing. Hey, so where are you guys taking my daughter to? I'm standing back here enough. Where are you guys taking my daughter to? Excuse me? Okay, thank you. You guys will be getting in trouble for kidnapping, unlawful detainment, violation of laws, violation of due process, putting your hands on a minor, pulling her out of the vehicle. You guys will be getting in trouble because I am going to pursue it, and you guys have to let my daughter go right now. Take her out of the vehicle right now. Hey, honey, hang tight, okay, honey? They're not allowed to do this to you. They are going to get in trouble. I'm going to make sure of it. Nothing that you say is going to help her, bro. Nothing. I want somebody, hey, Sergeant, I want you to release my daughter right now. Get her out of the car. Get her out of the cuffs and get her out of the car now. Balitas verga, güey. Hey, look at that guy thinking he's cool because he's in the force. But he fucked up. He fucked up. Not you, bro. That guy. He fucked up. But you guys are all together, so one and the same. What you're going to do is you're going to release her right now. That's what you're going to do. And you're taking too long on this stop. You never had to put your hands on this situation right here. Huh? Who's leaving in your car? I'm not leaving. I'm waiting for my daughter.
She's going to jail or she's going with her?
She's not going to jail. 100%. I guarantee you, you're going to get yourself in trouble. I guarantee you 100%. I'm not going nowhere. You need to release my daughter right now. Thank you for releasing her. Get the cuffs off of her. Kidnapping. Look at them take my daughter. So where are you taking my daughter? Excuse me, where are you taking my daughter?
You don't want to give me your ID or information.
Where are you taking my daughter?
I'm dealing with the mother.
Oh, you're dealing with me too. And I did give you my name.
Okay?
I did give you my name. Hey, bro, no, you guys fucked up. You guys fucked up. Your lieutenant said to release my daughter. There's nothing you can do about it. And there you are doing some stupid shit. Come on, Rodriguez. No seas menso, güey.
No soy menso.
No seas menso, güey.
Ahí está mi tarjeta.
No seas
Mucho gusto,
menso.
vale.
No seas menso. Ya, me la vas a tener que dar de todos modos. I will be over there to get my daughter. Where are you taking my daughter?
Whoever drives that car, get a driver's license. If you see them park, go out on the roadway.
I am going on the roadway.
Do a traffic stop.
Okay, here we go. That's illegal. That's illegal.
No, it's not. Child endangerment, since he's failing to produce...
Child endangerment?
Yes, sir. Have a nice
Estás
day.
bien pendejo, güey. Where are you taking my daughter to? Hey, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm not letting this go.
Sergeant Rodriguez.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm not letting this go.
Okay, have a nice day.
Okay, where's my daughter going to? Where's my daughter going to, Yanez? Okay, but where is she going? Okay, where is she going?
You want that?
I'm gonna follow you guys.
Well, the thing is, well, we just told you right now. You follow us, we're gonna pull you over.
Okay, you can pull me over. That's fine.
You're failed to provide ID to us.
There was no failure to provide.
It doesn't matter.
There was no failure to provide. It does matter.
We just told you right now, but you don't want to provide.
It does matter.
You don't want to provide?
Come over here. Come over here. You want my ID? Come on. I'll give it to you. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want my ID too, Rodriguez? Vente. 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 No hay opportunity. You're gonna get it. Here's my ID.
Okay, give it to my deputy.
Here it is. No, nobody's holding my ID. I'm providing it.
No.
Ya. Mírala. Tienes ojos, mira, tienes cuatro. Tienes cuatro ojos.
You need to back up. She's leaving.
Where's my daughter going to?
She's either going to juvenile hall or with mom, sir. That's all you
Okay,
need to know.
no, I do need to know. No, that's not all I need to know. I'm not letting her go, Rodriguez. Estás bien pendejo, güey.
Ahí te guacho.
Estás bien pendejo, güey, la neta, güey.
Cuídate.
Pendejito. This is how you fucking show your nuts? Like this?
Is this how you do it too?
Like this?
Is this how you do it too?
Like this? I have legal rights to my kids, pendejo.
Go to court.
I'm still gonna pick my daughter up, you dumbass.
Are you in?
I bet you 100% I am. What are you gonna do about it? I bet you I am.
Not tonight.
I bet you I am.
Okay, bye.
I bet you I am. I don't have to do anything. I'm free to stay and I'm free to go whenever I want. Pendejo.
Yeah.
Fucking dumbass. You will be getting in trouble, bro. You will be getting in trouble.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Okay. You could leave.
Bye. You can leave.
Your breath stinks.
Yeah, so does yours.
Your breath stinks.
So does yours.
Yep.
Squaring up with him, sir.
Your blood
I'm
pressure.
standing here
Your
with my
blood
hands
pressure's
around.
going up.
You were over there
I was gonna leave.
Your blood pressure's going up, bro.
to square up to my husband. For what? For your ego?
Damn, all you guys are gonna get in trouble. You guys just kidnapped my daughter. You're gonna get yourself in trouble, bro. Damn, I'm gonna look up all your shit too, by the way. I'm gonna look up all the times that you've gotten in trouble, bro. I'm gonna look up all your shit. Public records, homie. You're gonna fuck up your whole career right here just because you wanted to kidnap a minor. Dumbass.
Who?
The sheriff.
The sheriff has no problem with us being here. Neither do any other officers have a problem.
Well, I'm telling you, you guys, you got to find something else. That's what I'm trying to see.
And that's what we're waiting for. No, we don't need outreach. We are working with LA. Listen to what I'm saying. We are working with LA Family Housing. We have a place in Canoga Park. If you'll shut the hell up and listen to what we say, we are waiting for paperwork. If you want the paperwork to go faster, contact LA Family Housing and get in touch with the people who are taking forever with the papers.
All right, man.
Talk to them. We have done all we can do. LA Family Housing has submitted all the paperwork they can do. What we're waiting for now is for this place to do their job. Now shut up, leave us alone, and go do your job somewhere else, where you're important.
Okay, ma'am, can I speak now?
No, I don't want to hear anything you have to say. We have not committed a crime. You cannot arrest us. You cannot force us to leave. They have to take us to court. Metro has to take us to court if they want us gone. They can take us to court. We'll discuss it with a judge.
They have to take you to court.
Yes, they do. Bye. See you later. We're done.
All right, well, I'm going to notify my supervision about this problem.
Yes, and we'll be posting this on YouTube.
To me, that it's not getting better, it's getting worse. You guys got more stuff out.
That stuff has been dropped
Who is this your table out here?
Don't worry about that table.
That was just dropped off.
That was dropped off because the more stuff you guys accumulate, the worse the problem's going to get. And they're gonna
Whatever.
do something.
Whatever.
So I don't know what you're waiting on as far as your housing goes.
Yeah.
But you've been here for over a month.
Yeah, I know.
So you guys got
Been here since
to
October.
figure out something. We have outreach. We have homeless shelters that we can get you.
You have nothing for us.
Well, man.
In our situation, you have nothing. You don't know. You have no idea.
Well, we've been on the streets for 5 years and nobody's done anything. We just keep getting. We've been on
5
the streets for 5
years.
years, and we just keep getting the runaround.
I thought you guys got put in a shelter over
Yeah,
here.
over there because he's artistic, and they kicked us out.
All right.
Not even on the premises. They do what the fuck they want.
All right. Well,
At
I'm
that
going
shelter.
to talk to my supervision, and we'll see if we can get some people from the homeless outreach out here.
No, we don't need nobody. We don't need to talk. We
Okay.
already talked to LASA. LASA can't do anything for us because LA Family Housing has us. LASA can't do anything. No other organization can because LA Family Housing has
Maybe they
our
could
papers.
reach out to LA Family Housing to see if they can speed
Go ahead and
up
talk
the
to your
problem.
supervisor because there's nothing else they can do.
Well, they might be able to speed up the process. That's
Go
what I'm
ahead.
trying to tell you.
Go ahead. Your people can't do anything.
What's your last name?
Don't worry about what our last name is.
I just need
Just
a
this.
last name,
No,
man, for
I'm not
the
giving you a
laptop.
last name. I'm not giving you anything.
John Doe.
We're not telling you.
I didn't say first name. I said last name.
You specifically have spoken to us
John
before.
Doe. Now
I
go
know
fuck
I've
yourself.
spoken to you.
We've told you our names before. You
No, I
don't
didn't
know, you
ask
don't
your name
remember,
the
then
last time.
you
yelled
got a
at me
problem.
last time.
Yes, I do. I yell at all of you.
I don't understand
I
why
yell
you're
at
so
all of
hostile.
you. You don't
Because
understand?
we keep getting the runaround by you guys.
Because
I'm not giving
We've been
you the
put- we've been
runaround,
put- we
sir.
were
I'm
in-
trying to help you.
We were
No,
in
you're
Van-
not.
We were in Van Nuys.
the runaround. We're here trying to help
We were in Van Nuys, and they sent us out here. LAPD did.
Huh?
Yeah. They swept
we
us
don't
out
like
the road.
Los Angeles County, the city, the mayor, LAPD. None of you have done anything to help any unhoused people.
If you don't like Los Angeles, you should probably be out
That's
of Los
what
Angeles.
What the fuck do you think we're trying to do?
Okay, mommy.
Phoenix is a whole lot better than here.
Please, honey.
They have brains and hearts.
Relax. Relax.
You guys keep saying we can't be here, you can't be there. Where the fuck can we go? You don't have an answer for that, then you need to shut up and mind your own damn business.
One officer stood over
Because
there.
we're not committing any crimes.
Ma'am, do you understand? MTA hires us to come out here.
MTA hires no one to do anything. They have their own officers, and their officers don't even talk to us. Their security knows us, knows our situation. They've spoken to us. Go talk to them. Allied Assurance. Go speak to them.
Metro has given us food before.
Metro employees
Yeah,
care
we're
about
here
us.
to help.
They are helping.
Well, I'm
You're
trying to
not.
find you a
Do you bring us
permanent
anything?
housing.
No, you didn't. You don't even bring us water.
You want some water? I got water. Do you want some?
I don't have to ask. I shouldn't have to ask.
All right, I'll go get you.
No, I don't want anything from you.
Hold on.
I don't want anything from you. You don't get it.
It's gonna be those small boxes.
What? Please, what? I was laying down because I'm in pain. No, I don't want water from you. Put it down. I don't want anything from you. I told you. I don't want anything from you.
I'll give you
Officer, what?
Oh, it's Sergeant Legg.
Cool. Get
Actually-
your supervisor out here right now.
There's a lieutenant. You want to go
Get your
higher than
boss out here. Yeah, I want to go higher than that. All the way up the food chain.
Well, you have to talk to the
that?
captain.
Here's what you're going to
Cool. Pull him out here.
Here's what you're going to do.
I am requesting your supervisor. Per your policy, provide a supervisor.
Sir, here's what you're going to do.
You have a supervisor. Provide him.
What's your name, sir?
You know my name.
I don't know your name.
You put your hands on me.
What is your... I haven't touched you.
Your officer puts your hands on me without probable cause.
What is your name?
I do not have to give that unless you have a reason to
Yeah,
suspect
I'm
me of a
detaining
crime.
you right now because you're...
So then arrest me.
What is he here for?
He was in there interrupting court. He asked me to leave, and he started throwing a fit.
No, the officer got mad because I whispered to him he's a pig.
Can't interrupt court.
I didn't. We can go back in there and ask the judge, ask anybody in there. They didn't even hear me. Okay, let's go.
I'll go.
Okay.
What courtroom?
Courtroom 3.
What's going on? Oh, there?
information.
No, you don't. Not unless I committed a crime.
Listen, well, at this point, you're detained for an investigation because you're interrupting court. You're being
I plead the fifth. I have the right to remain silent. I do not have to answer any of your questions. Arrest me. You want to detain me? Here you go.
I just want your information. Are you?
I'm not giving it to you. Okay. Not unless you have reason to suspect me of a crime. Are you going to arrest me?
Were you attending court for a
Yes, I was.
All right, then why would you do
I
that?
did. Because I am allowed. I'm allowed to address my grievances with my government.
While disrupting the courtroom?
Nobody in that courtroom heard me except that officer. He got upset because he got called a pig.
Everybody around you heard you.
Said nobody else cared that I called the cop a pig.
Oh, they didn't?
No,
So
go
you
ask
already
them.
know for them.
And even if they did, you're not feelings enforcement, you're law enforcement.
Well, feelings of oh, that would be great if I could. If that was the way it was, always was.
Get your supervisors out here. Get a captain out here. No.
Calm down.
Are you a city official?
No, I know him. What's his name? Huh?
Oh yeah, I do know you. I'm sorry.
Come on now.
No. I just got thrown out of court for calling a cop a pig.
That's not why you got thrown out.
Yes, it was.
Stop disrupting the court.
Okay. Calling a cop a pig is not disrupting the courtroom. Freedom of speech cannot be considered disruption. You guys are going to get an education today.
Where did Unit 19?
They're probably back there talking to the judge.
Okay.
So, are you trespassing me from the building?
No, but you're not authorized to go in there currently.
It's a public building. The public has every right to enter a public building.
Everybody else in there can act properly, but except for you.
Because I called your officer a pig.
That has nothing to do with that.
I don't care what you call us.
And I want your body cam, the whole thing, because you put your hands on it.
That's great.
Oh, I will.
Okay, you're allowed.
Your police department's right downstairs, which means I'm allowed to go in the building again.
Maybe.
No, there's no maybe there's no maybe about it. If I am going to do official business, you cannot stop me.
Okay. If you
Neither can you, pig. And no, it's not if I act right. You work for me, not the other way around.
Okay.
You work for me. You put your hands on somebody you got no business touching.
You were escorted from the building.
Name and badge number.
You were escorted from the building.
Name and badge number
Your
per
name.
policy.
Your name.
It's not my
Your
policy.
name.
You're
Your
a government
name.
official. It's your
Name,
policy.
right here. Well, then I guess you don't go to court then today.
You're right. My name's right here. And that is a violation of my rights. I am court ordered to be here, and you are violating a court order. I will have you brought up in charges.
Great.
Qualified immunity ain't shit for you.
Okay, good. I don't care.
So unless I'm officially being trespassed, I'm going back in.
You're not going to go back in because you'll be arrested.
So you just threatened to arrest me if I enter the premises.
Because you don't know how to act. You're disrupting your courtroom.
I don't know how to act.
Other people are going to court.
Freedom of speech cannot be limited. It is my constitutional right. Just like it is my right to address any officer or city official that I want, in any way I want. You fucking pig.
Good.
You're a tyrant.
That's good. That's fine.
You're a tyrant too.
That's good. I'm glad you're calling.
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution?
Yeah.
Yeah, well then why don't you honor your oath?
I am honoring.
You are not.
Yeah.
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution of the United States?
What's your name?
I'm not giving it.
Well, I'm not telling you that either.
Very unprofessional. Conduct unbecoming officers. Assault and battery. Want to bet?
No, I escorted you from the property.
You pushed, you smacked my phone out of my hand, and you grabbed it. That is.
Tried to stick it in my face, and I'm stuck from doing my duty. There you go.
This is not obstruction.
Keep it up.
Nope. And unless you arrest me, I'm not.
You gotta leave.
Are you trespassing me officially?
Sure.
Okay, so if I go back in a public building, I will be arrested.
Unless you have a reason to be back here.
Okay, I have a court order right here telling me to go to court today at 1 o'clock. You have just kicked me out of a court order. All right, let's go.
Let's go to court. You gotta be at court. Let's go to court.
Fucking tyrants. I'm gonna walk through here with my phone.
No, you know, that's not how it works. You gotta put your phone in the basket.
Well, then y'all's gonna have to take your wand over.
You're
me.
gonna put everything in the basket.
I was just in here and you escorted me out. I didn't even go anywhere.
You left the building. You put your stuff in the basket.
You escorted me out of the building and I stayed on the premises.
You will be kicked back out of the building.
Okay, then kick me
Put
out.
your stuff in the basket.
Kick me out. Go get the
Stuff in
judge.
basket.
Go get the
All
judge.
right, you're going back out.
Come on, sir. Come on. Come on. Get your hands off me. I will charge you with assault and battery. Come on. Come on. Get your hands off me, bruh.
Here we go.
And that's just assault and battery. That is assault and battery. And you just pushed me over.
You're under arrest. Just open the calm down. Be nice.
Put your hand behind your back and stop.
On my back. What are you doing?
Be nice.
I have the right.
All right, guys, how we doing? Everybody still hanging in there with me? What you guys think about the videos? The last video. Now, I mean, if you didn't legitimately speak out loud and interrupt the court process, you didn't interrupt the court. Just because you whispered to a police officer you're a pig is not interrupting court. I can relate to this story, though. I have left court before where I told one of my fucking mortal enemies, this fucking cop around here, I hate this motherfucker and he hates me. If me and this dude can get in a cage, boy, ooh! But anywho, I did the same kind of thing where I was walking out of court, and when I walked past him, I told him he was a little fucking bitch. And one of the sheriffs that were there heard me say it, and he tried jamming me up. But thank God for that whole freedom of speech thing. Thank God for that whole Constitution thing. Second video is Tanya Myers. Listen, now, the more I sit here and think about it, the more this is what these folks should do. Instead of waiting on the government to process all these papers, all you got to do is walk down to the border. Picture this. Walk down to the border, cross over to Mexico side. Walk along the fucking fence until you find another entry point. Enter there. Let fucking Mayorkas process you, because after that happens, you get free healthcare, you get free housing, you get fucking debit cards with monthly allowances on them, you get fucking food stamps, you get all the fucking help in the world when you don't fucking belong here. In the first video, I'm not 100% sure of the laws and that I'm not 100% sure, so I really can't give you folks an opinion on that. But I do know that if my kid is afraid to go home because she's afraid of being abused, I'm not letting you go home either. Should the cops be involved in a situation like that? Should they not just take a report and hand it to the judge and let the judge make the decision on it? I mean, who knows? Let me know what you motherfuckers think. Look, if you've made it this far, you've made it all the way to the end. Very special thank you to the channels I highlighted today. That was Dad to 8 beautiful kids, Tanya Myers, and Nick. If you folks are unfamiliar with these channels, I always leave the original link in the description. Click on them, head on over, let them know that we was getting fucked up. We was watching their shit. We love them, we support them, and we got their back over this motherfucker. Normally, this is where I tell you, if you have a Facebook page, join us at the USVSTHEMPGH Facebook group. However, since I've been banned, I'm not 100% sure that the group is even still up and running. It's still up and running. I have no fucking idea because I can't go on and look. Normally, that's where I would tell you. But in any case, look, man, raise your motherfucking glasses. Look, to the ones that love us, to the ones that have lost us, and to the ones that get to meet and hang out with a bunch of kick-ass motherfuckers like you and like me over this bitch. I just want you to know you folks are important, you're cared for, you're valuable, and unbelievably appreciated, especially to me. If no one has told you motherfuckers yet today, just know I love you over this bitch, man. And I will see you motherfuckers tomorrow morning. Cheers, guys. Stay safe. Like a